In this video I will show you that how to make a password protected Excel file. So for doing this, first of all you have to prepare the file very well, and you have to check everything related to the file before doing this. So my file is completed, and now I can apply the password to this file to make it secure. So go to the file, and then already generally I have saved this file into location, but for these purposes I am click on save as to save this document under downloads. From here I am giving the file name billing statement 1 password protected. This is for example purposes. So from here I have selected the file type Excel workbook. Then I am clicking on the tools option. From tool general option, from tool you have to click on general option, then select the general option. From here look very carefully, because this is the password to modify, this is the password to modify, and this is the password to open. I am applying the password to open these files to make it protected, and even here I can set two passwords, one is for open, one is for modify, but now I just want to give you the example of open. So from here I am giving the test password, typing test. Again I have to confirm this password as test. So you look that I have applied the password. So now I am saving this. Okay. So it was the file billing statement password. You see that now the file has protected, and I have to enter the password. Open. I hope you understand the video, that how it's work. Thanks for watching the video.